Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Lunar Client for Minecraft. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure Minecraft is closed. Also note that you must own Minecraft to use Lunar Client. Next, open any web browser, then search for Lunar Client. Then open the official website lunarclient.com. On the website, click the download button in the top right corner. Then scroll down and choose your operating system. For example, if you're using Windows, click download for Windows. Once the download is complete, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the Lunar Client installer, then double-click it to start the installation. Choose your language, accept the terms of use, and click Next to continue the installation. Wait for the installation to finish. If you encounter an error, try right-clicking the installer and selecting Run as Administrator. After installation, Lunar Client will open automatically. Click Login and sign in using your Microsoft account that owns Minecraft. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Lunar Client dashboard. From the main menu, choose the Minecraft version you want to play. Then, click Launch. Then Lunar Client will start Minecraft with performance improvements and extra features such as FPS boost, HUD options, and built-in mods. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.